Have you ever wondered how electricity is efficiently distributed within a building? The answer lies in a seemingly simple but incredibly powerful component of electrical power distribution systems, the busbar. Imagine a metallic strip or bar, typically made of copper or aluminum. This is a busbar. It lives within switchboards, distribution boards, and other electrical apparatus, serving as a common connection point for multiple electrical circuits. The purpose? To conduct electricity with efficiency and reliability. One of the key elements of busbars is their high electrical conductivity. This property allows them to carry large currents with minimal power loss. The materials of choice here are copper and aluminum due to their excellent conductivity properties. It's a bit like choosing the best athletes for a relay race. You want the ones who can carry the baton swiftly and smoothly to the finish line. Another crucial characteristic of busbars is their low impedance. This ensures that there is minimal voltage drop as electricity flows through them, which in turn maintains the efficiency of the electrical system. It's akin to the smooth flow of traffic on a well-built highway with no unnecessary stops or detours. Busbars also bring simplicity and compactness to the table. By providing a centralized connection point for multiple circuits, they simplify the design of electrical systems and reduce the amount of wiring required. This helps in saving space and making installations more compact, much like a well-organized filing system. Flexibility is another feather in the cap of busbars. They can be designed in various configurations to suit specific applications, such as single-phase or three-phase systems, and can accommodate different types of connections, such as bolted, soldered, or welded connections. It's like having a versatile tool in your kit that can adapt to various tasks. Safety is a paramount concern in electrical systems, and busbars contribute significantly to this aspect. Properly designed and installed, they minimize the risk of overheating, arcing, and short circuits. They also facilitate easier maintenance and troubleshooting of electrical installations. It's like having a reliable safety officer on site, ensuring everything runs smoothly and safely. Finally, there's scalability. Busbars allow for the easy expansion or modification of electrical systems as needed, by adding or removing circuits without extensive rewiring. This is similar to expanding a Lego set. You can add or remove pieces as desired without disrupting the rest of the structure. In essence, busbars are the unsung heroes of electrical power distribution systems. They provide a reliable and efficient means of conducting electricity between various components and circuits. Their significance lies in their ability to ensure the safe, efficient, and flexible distribution of electrical power in a wide range of applications, from industrial facilities to commercial buildings and residential homes. So the next time you flip a switch or plug in a device, spare a thought for the humble busbar, silently and efficiently doing its job to keep your world powered up.